Devesh joining us right outside the CBI's office. Devesh, over to you. Riya Chakrabarti has just left. She's headed towards the CBI office. How long do you think that she's going to take to reach there? This is the fourth day of questioning, grilling that she will have to be facing after 3 days of being grilled by the CBI for over 25 hours. What's expected today?
Nabila, it is very important that this is the fourth day of questioning and Riya might be confronted with the key witnesses who were present inside the residence, who were actually staying with Sushant Singh Rajput, Neeraj Singh, Keshav Vachner, Dipesh Sawant and Siddharth Pithani. These are the four key witnesses who were also present on 14th of June, and actually they are the people who discovered or found the actor dead in his bedroom. And Riya might be confronted with these four. She'll be repeat questioning could happen. Several questions which have been earlier been asked will be asked again to Riya Chakrabarti, and this is a standard operating procedure of CBI. They do repeat questioning to check if the statements given by the accused person is true or not, whether they contradict their statements, whether they change any details of the statement. So that's why repeat questioning is done, and she'll be posed with questions which have been asked on the first day, the second day and the third day as well. Meanwhile, she'll also be confronted regarding the expenditure, regarding her income, regarding her source of income, how was she maintaining her lifestyle, what kind of expenditure did she have, what kind of work did she have in hand, did she manage to get any work, the property she's bought, investment she's made. Remember, ED has also conducted search of her locker at the Wakola Bank branch, where Indrajit Chakrabarti along with ED officials was present.
Devesh, do stay with us. Let's cut across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us right outside the CBI office. Mustafa, Riya Chakrabarti on her way, just about reaching the CBI office. Fourth round of grilling that's going to be taking place today. She's more likely, even if at all they do spot some inconsistencies there, they might just grill her alongside the other flatmates. Now do tell us, Sushant's family members are also going to be summoned, is that right?
Yes, that's what CBI sources are telling us, that Meetu Singh, Sushant's sister, is likely to be summoned and questioned at CBI and confronted with Riya Chakrabarti to get an idea what happened after June 8, after Riya left Sushant's house. Meetu Singh was there for 4 days. We are showing you the live visuals of DRDO guest house here in some time. Riya Chakrabarti is awaited. She has left her home in Juhu. She is on the way. It's an important day for her questioning also, because on the other side, Enforcement Directorate is questioning Gaurav Arya on the drug angle. Even the CBI is focusing more on the drug angle these days and the leaked chats from the WhatsApp of Riya Chakrabarti, and hence if there are something which is coming up at the Enforcement Directorate, I'm sure the CBI will be informed about the investigation so that they can question Riya Chakrabarti on the same lines, and she will not have any other option but to answer it. And there is a problem for Riya Chakrabarti, because she will not have a thought as to what she should say, but she'll have to speak the truth, and that is the main investigation which is going to go on today, with two agencies simultaneously questioning on one angle. We're hoping that we'll get to hear what were the updates of the whole day by evening. Back to you, Nabila.
Right, Mustafa, right now Riya Chakrabarti is just on her way towards the CBI office. This is the fourth round of grilling. Therefore, we understand that over 25 hours that she was grilled in over the last 3 days, the same questions or similar questions will be posed to her again today, only to see that her statements which she made over the last 3 days match what she says today, or if there's going to be any changes in her statement. This is quite intense that the CBI is trying to probe into, just to see and catch if there's anything missing there, any loophole.
Yes, and that is the way which the CBI will have to take, because if they are not taking any adverse action against her and she is cooperating with the investigation, then whenever she comes, they will have to confront her with the questions, take the evidence of what she is claiming, whether it's right or not, and to basically harp on the same point to see whether they can get any breakthrough in the investigations, because after all, the CBI is considering Riya Chakrabarti as the main accused in the case, and hence all the investigations and inquiries and statements they have recorded revolve around her version of the story and what evidence she is able to give. So we are waiting for the update from the CBI in these many days, what they have been able to gather on the case, what is the development on the drug angle, because each day a new chat is coming forward related to drugs. That is what we are made to believe by the agencies and ED, who is investigating this case. What is the Narcotics Control Bureau doing in the case? What is the clues which the CBI have got with 27 hours of questioning of Riya Chakrabarti? All these things will know as the day passes by. But yes, Riya Chakrabarti will be arriving here at the DRDO guest house in some time, and the questioning with her again will begin. Back to you.
Right, here Riya Chakrabarti has spoken in interviews there to India Today, of course, and elsewhere about Sushant Singh Rajput's tryst with drugs. She clearly mentioned that Sushant was consuming drugs. All that she was doing was coordinating, possibly being a mediator. Now, considering that a lot of chats have been procured by the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate there, the NCB is now involved, it shows a lot of reference to banned substances. With Riya Chakrabarti itself, looks like she's procuring it. Whether it is for her or whether it is for Sushant here is to be probed by the CBI. But like you said, Mustafa, is the probe now going straight into the drug angle alone? What happens to the financial irregularities that the ED was probing? Has that been ignored now, or have they not found anything on that front? What about the murder angle that they were probing into? Has anything been found on that?
Well, at this juncture, what we can do, Nabila, is only basically assume things as to what may have happened, because Enforcement Directorate is the premier agency in the country to investigate financial frauds. They interrogated Riya Chakrabarti and her brother in this regard thoroughly, and they have not come up with any evidence as of now. What has come out from them are the leaked chats of her WhatsApp messages, which were accessed after they cloned her phones, and then the case diverted towards drugs angle, and now the drugs angle is being investigated in the whole matter. So there is a different story coming out in every day, and that is the only path left for the CBI to investigate whatever things and angles are coming out, and then see what most of the things can come out from those things. So there is, every day we can't comment as to what happened on the abatement to suicide thing or the financial misappropriation till the time the agencies come out with a report on the investigation. But we are made to believe that because there is not much being spoken about those things, it is likely that there is not much in hand, and hence the drug angle is being explored. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, also what is to be noted that even, of course, while Riya Chakrabarti, now we're getting you live visuals of Riya headed towards the CBI office, while she is being grilled for the 4th time around, we also understand that the CBI now is looking at summoning Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters as well. Could you take us through why Sushant's sister, especially Meetu Singh, who was staying with Sushant between the 8th and 14th of June, why was she not called in earlier? Was she already probed by the investigative agency, or will this be the first time, if at all, she's coming in? Ideally, she should have been asked about what really happened during those days.
We are told by CBI sources that during the course of investigations, there are some questions which the CBI seems that they want to ask, and hence they are calling Meetu Singh, and the one right reason being that she was staying with Sushant for the last 4 days. Another important thing is that there is a leaked chat between Shruti Modi and Meetu Singh, in which Shruti Modi has sent doctor's prescription of Sushant Singh Rajput to her, which also makes the agencies believe that this family was aware somewhere about the mental illness of the late actor, and hence that clarification is also required from her. So the confrontation between Riya Chakrabarti and Meetu Singh will give a clear picture and corroboration of what happens the days before when the actor was found hanging. So these are the things which the CBI wants to clarify, and any professional agency would do the things same way to get a clear picture, get the people understand their story and match their versions. Back to you.
Right, Sushant, also very clearly you mentioned about how Shruti Modi's chats with Sushant's family clearly show that Sushant's family members were in the know of Sushant's mental health condition. As claimed by Riya Chakrabarti, Sushant was taking psychiatric treatment, he was taking medication as well, and Sushant's family was in the know of it. That's what Shruti Modi's chats reveal, where clearly there's a conversation between the family members and Shruti Modi about the medication that's being given, about the health of Sushant. In fact, because Sushant was feeling ill at the Waterstone Resort, his sisters also came by to meet him because his health was not up to mark. And right there at the Waterstone Resort, a quarrel took place and then the sisters left. Eventually, he had to be admitted to a hospital as well, Sushant's condition after it deteriorated. Here on these lines, will the CBI be probing into thoroughly there, Mustafa? Is there any word on whether the family really knew about Sushant's condition? They've so far claimed ignorance. They say that as far as we know, Sushant was absolutely fine. Then what is all this talk about Sushant's family now being in the know?
As the circumstances, Nabila suggests that they were in the know-how, but we'll have to wait for the investigating agencies to verify this fact, whether they were aware or whether they were partially aware of the entire situation and hence they were not able to get a better judgment on the entire illness thing. So there can be different versions which the agency will have to verify. What we can say at this point of time is that there are revelations during the CBI investigations which need to be investigated, and the recording statements of family of the close family of Sushant Singh Rajput will only help the agencies to investigate better, and hence the questioning part is coming about. Enforcement Directorate also recorded a statement of Meetu Singh in the financial angle investigation. What we understand is that CBI has recorded the statement of Sushant's family, but it was people, the sister's father, who stay in Bihar. Meetu Singh happens to stay in Mumbai. Whether her statement was recorded or not, that is not sure, and hence the likelihood of she being called at the DRDO guest house is much more, and hence because the exclusive interview with Riya Chakrabarti by India Today has also revealed some facts. Riya Chakrabarti claimed that even she wants to know what happened after 8th of June after she left, and hence at the first place she had asked for CBI inquiry. So that point now has to be clarified. If there are questions being raised by Riya Chakrabarti herself, the CBI will also have to find out, and hence Sushant's sister is likely to be questioned. Back to you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.